Dude, check this out on the Euro. I got two at once, one on the anchor and one on the dropper. That is awesome. Two fish at the same time. That was a crazy blast. I can't even believe it. I gotta unpin him and get him back in. Oh man, that winter fish for fun's a blast. It's a double again. I got two at once, and they're big. Oh, that one's nice.
They better be worth it. It took us on a stroll.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. I was like, what is it that's so big that ran me
I know.
50 yards? Look at this one, honey. Look at him. Does that one have a hook in it? Is a streamer hook there? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Perfect spot here. There's a, that's not my